Hey everyone, welcome back to Help Email Tales. Have you ever written an important email, hit send, and then watched it just sit there in Outlook Outbox forever? This issue can occur due to large attachments, offline mode, corrupted email files, add-in conflicts, or connection problems. In this video, I'm sharing proven solutions that actually work to clear out that stubborn Outlook and get your emails sent smoothly again. If you need more help troubleshooting, experts are available at the numbers given on the screen. Alright then, let's get started with the solutions now. For the first step, you need to search for Outlook in the taskbar and open it. Next, click on the Send Receive tab. After that, you need to click on the Send Receive All Folders option and let the process complete. See if the problem is resolved. If yes, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. If your emails are still stuck, then continue with the further steps. On the top, click on the Work Offline option. Now, you need to go to the Outbox and delete any emails you find there. After that, you need to open the Task Manager and navigate to Microsoft Outlook. Once you see the Outlook option, click on it and then choose the End Task option. Open the Outlook once again and see if your emails are still stuck. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtales.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.